everyone, I'm Rebecca. I'm one of the physiotherapists here at Strive Physiotherapy and Performance, and today we're going to be talking about shoulder pain. Shoulder pain can happen to anyone, whether it is an overuse injury because you've been going to the gym a lot, or you've had an accident, or it's simply aging. Physiotherapy can help. The goals of physiotherapy when it comes to shoulder pain is often helping to reduce pain levels, improving function, improving your mobility, or helping the overall health of your shoulder. There are a few different shoulder injuries that you might be coming in for. The first common shoulder injury is a rotator cuff injury. This may be from someone who is a very active person in the gym doing lots of heavy lifting or a lot of overhead movements. You might be an athlete where your sport is a lot of upper body repetitive movements, or it might be from a trauma like a fall. Another common injury is fractures and dislocations. This one is typically from traumatic injuries like a fall or an incident during your sport. You might be coming in for a shoulder tendinopathy. This is often from overuse injuries or could also be from the aging process. The last thing you might be coming in for is a frozen shoulder. This is where we're having lots of lack of mobility in our shoulder, lots of stiffness, and a lot of pain.